What is up, guys? It is Spaz, and welcome stinking back to your boy. And today, I know we beat this. I know we beat it, aight? But I saw that there's also an alternate ending that I never got. So I want to go and do that crap. I'm gonna try to like speed run this crap so that we can, you know, get that ending. It has to do with the freaking can, y'all. I looked up part of it, but I don't know what the ending is. So with all those batteries that we found, I was always just wondering what the heck is going on with the batteries. You feel me? So we're gonna go and find out what the heck that ending is, y'all. Yep, I knew it. He was right there. I was about to jump down on him. All right, guys, watch this. I always love to show this part because freaking killing grannies. Oh my! Get the H off of me! Whoops! Get that freaking key! Whoops! Get the heck off me, you freaking freak! Gosh, he's breathing loud as heck. Fart me. What the farts? He just ran through that freaking wall. What the heck? Go, go, go. Alright, boys. The other one's up here. Grab that crap. Grab the can. Put it in the can opener. Freaking go in here. Pisses me off every single time. Alright, I get a key now. See if I can go, like, save this person. She can't walk, I can't help her. Oh, can I give her a bandage? Help me, please! I just tried to! Fart me. Use this. Go. Outside. Go outside. Now where do I freaking go? What the heck, dudes? Here's a little path. Go in here, I guess. The nuts. Oh, here we go. Stinking back roads, baby. Stinking back roads. Oh my, there's a chainsaw now! What the farts? Just keep running. I don't care if your stamina is running out. Run! 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 Oh, farts! Run, baby! Holy farts! A stinking house! Help me! Help me! Help me! Somebody! He seems to have forgotten about me. Alright. Which one do I go to? Oh, the lights are on! Go, go, go! Knock on the stinking door. Help me! Is anyone home? Hello? He's coming to kill me! Do you want to come inside? What? Something's wrong. My stomach. Do you want to come inside? I'm sick, help me! What's wrong? Oh. Uh-oh. They put a little freaking... whatever it's called, like the... oh, shoot. They put the little, like, alien thing inside me. Remember when the... I don't know if I ever showed it, but, like, some of the times the freaking rats would run around and they'd turn into those little alien creepy creatures? And I guess that's what he put inside of me when he captured me. He put one of them things. Just a little, like... and then it attacked him. That's my theory. Anyways, guys, that's the alternate ending. Sorry, it's freaking loud as heck. I hope I turn it down. I turned down my head. I might have turned it down on this too. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys that. And what's funny is that's the guy. That's the like creepy dude that comes in during the night shift, which is that. I didn't play it for my channel. I've seen it though. But that's the creepy dude that comes in on the night shift. And he comes in on a white van. He's like looking around. He's like, something like that. I don't remember what he says. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys. I'll be doing something new. As long as there's no other ending. Like, I wonder if there's possible to save the girl. If it is, then I will try to play it as well. And see what we can do. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much. Love you guys. Y'all have a blessed rest of the day. Oh, go, blah, 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 blah. Yay. I did it. Back up that joint. Run, baby. Dude, run. I hate, this is like when you turn on the lights at the freaking downstairs of your house and you're running right back up because you're freaking scared as heck that there's monsters. Someone's gonna be in there, I swear it. And I'm gonna pull that rifle off and shoot them in their gosh dang throat. Dude, there's a dude out there.